Hi there! If you send newsletters or marketing emails, you want them to actually reach your subscribers' inbox. Yet roughly 10% of promotional messages still end up in spam. Strong email authentication helps prevent that. In this video, I will show you how to check yours in 3 simple steps. All you need is a Gmail account. And this is how to check whether your emails pass SPF, DKIM and DMARC. Step 1. Send a test newsletter to a Gmail address you control. Step 2. Open the email in Gmail and click the 3-dot menu as you see here. Select Show Original to view the email's raw source and header information. At the top, look at the authentication results. If SPF, DKIM and DMARC all show pass, just like here, then your setup is good and no action is needed. If any of the records show fail or are even missing, you have work to do, especially if you send hundreds or even thousands of emails per day. Adding or fixing your email authentication should be your highest priority. To learn more about email authentication, check out this video. Or go to Email Tool Tester and book our email authentication service. During a Zoom call, I will set it up together with you. Find the link in the description below and see you next time.